Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Junkyard Sports Cards here with my first ever video on YouTube. Me breaking some products such as WWE, and I have here a hobby box of WWE Topps 2018 trading cards. I got it from JPEG Info off eBay, so big shout out to him. And let's crack it open. So I started making this channel just because I like sports cards and all like that. I know a bunch of people I watch on YouTube and all that. They have a bunch of great channels. Perfect. So let's start it up. I've always wanted to make a YouTube channel about breaking. Never did until now. And so here we go. We've got a Paul Ellering, Smear Singh, Titus O'Neil, Tyler Bate. And look at that. The first thing out of the box is an Adam Cole autograph. Adam Cole, blue, 18 of 50. Adam Cole. First NXT card. I'm a big fan of Adam Cole. So I'm very, very happy about this hit. Throw it in a sleeve here. Wrong size, whoops. Very happy with this. Adam Cole. Blue. 18 of 50. Well, good start. Good, very good start. Then we got an Evolution Big Show and an Evolution The American Badass Undertaker. Now, I've been a big WWE fan all my life and a big New Japan Pro Wrestling fan all my life. So I'm very excited to start breaking some WWE cards on camera. We got Rhino, Tony Chimmel, Zack Ryder, Jerry the King Lawler, Daniel Bryan, the American Nightmare Dustin Rhodes, and Jerry the King Lawler. Adam Cole. Adam Cole, good start. Michael Cole, Kurt Angle, Caleb Braxton, Hideo, Chad Gable, Cactus Jack Evolution, and Chris Jericho, the GOAT Evolution. I've always been nervous to start up a YouTube channel just because I didn't know if I liked my voice on camera and all that. But I kind of just threw that to the side and said, you know what? I'm going to try doing this. See if you guys like it. Xavier Woods, Tony Nese. Oh, and we got another hit. Dana Brooke Kiss card. Dana Brooke Kiss card. $2.99. 14.99. Big Dana Brooke fan. So this is an awesome hit. Look at that. Dana Brooke Kiss card. Throw that in a sleeve. Don't have the top load for that at the time. But that's the two nice hits right there. Tony Nese. Still looking for that base parallel. Now it's weird because I've seen on other breaks parts of the third on the left and all that stuff, and all those spots and all that where the autograph's supposed to be. That's the first bronze parallel we've had. And yeah, all the different spots in the box where they're supposed to be. I never get that, you know. It's like I always find them in different spots, no matter what everyone says, but that's just me. I got Akam. I love this card right here. I love it. It's such a funny error. Tommaso, Shane, Neville, John Cena Evolution, Daniel Bryan Evolution. What a start to this box. This is my first break of Topps 2018, and I'm very pleased with it. Definitely going to do another box very, very soon. Waiting for Undisputed to come out too. I work at an arena, and we just had SmackDown, and it was actually pretty interesting. I got to watch Charlotte sign some of her Undisputed cards, and it was very cool how on-card auto stuff, and I'm very excited for it. The cards look great. A little sneak peek teaser. Charlotte, Aria, Akira, Mike Canales, Nia Jax, Evolution Kane, Triple H. Let's see. Billy Kay, Aleister Black, Byron Saxton, Kathy Kelly, Daniel Bryan, Evolution Goldust, and Undertaker. Mr. McMahon, Pete Dunne, Sonya Deville, Big E, Brian Kendrick, my bad. Undertaker Evolution, Mark Henry Evolution. I really like that Evolution set. Something nice to throw in there. Heath, Johnny Wrestling, Mean Gene Okerlund, Noam Dar, Stephanie McMahon. That's not. Oh, it is. Look at that. Stephanie McMahon Gold. 10 out of 10. And eBay #1. eBay #1. Look at that. I'd love to pull an auto of her. I hate top loaders. My eyes are terrible for them. But there's that 10 of 10 Steph McMahon Gold. And let's just crack the rest of these packs open and see if there's anything else that's interesting in it. The Miz, Maria Kanellis, Sin Cara, William Regal, Zack Ryder, Big Show Evolution, Mick Foley Evolution. As I said, this is a jump start for me, so I hope that if you are watching this, that you enjoy it and want to watch another video. And I have a Twitter as well, at Cards Junkyard on Twitter. Well, I'm just gonna start doing some, you know, I want to talk to people. You know, that's one of my big goals of this, is just to talk to people and see what other collectors are doing out there, how people break, what people like, what people don't like. I want every feedback, negative, positive, everything, because everybody can improve somewhere, you know. Yeah, so that's one of the big reasons why I'm going to make social media accounts. I want to connect with everybody. And one of my negative feedbacks is probably going to be me opening up card packs, because I am terrible at it. Absolutely terrible. It's just been a problem for a long time. My fingers don't work like they want to. But there's nothing like ripping wax, so I mean, I love it. Ooh. I'd love to see like a triple auto box. I doubt they ever slip up with those, but if they ever did, I did watch one video one time where there was a triple auto, and it was in, I believe, Topps 2017, and I don't know what I'd do if there was one of those. So yeah, again, I buy most of my boxes off eBay, just because I like, I like to mix it up with different people and all the time, and yeah, I feel like that's a good way to mix it up. Like, so this box came from J Peck at Dash Info, JPEC Dash Info. Got this box, and I'm very pleased with it. And more definitely to come. Hopefully a couple cases too. And going down to my last pack. Last pack mojo. Let's get a nice bronze parallel. Bingo, Booker T. Bronze parallel. And that's gonna do it. But let's go over the hits real quick. We got a Steph McMahon gold base, numbered 10 out of 10. Gold, Steph McMahon. We have a Dana Brooke Kiss card. I love Dana Brooke. 14 of 99. And then we got Adam Cole, baby. Blue auto out of 50, 18 of 50. His first NXT card. So those were the hits. I want to thank every guys for watching. And I'll see you real soon with another video. Make sure you follow me on Twitter.